What causes icy car windshields in winter? Imagine waking up on a cold winter morning and finding your car's windshield covered in a shiny layer of ice. Ever wonder why that happens? Well, it all comes down to how water moves and changes states in the air and on surfaces. When the air around your car has moisture or humidity, it contains water vapor, which is invisible water in gas form. This vapor can come from inside the car, like your breath, wet clothes, or even snow melting on your shoes, or from outside, like dew or snow in the air. When the temperature drops below freezing, which is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, the glass of your windshield cools down quickly because glass is a good heat conductor. As the warm, moist air inside or outside the car touches the cold windshield, the water vapor in the air turns into tiny liquid droplets on the glass surface. This process is called condensation, and it is a key part of the water cycle where water vapor changes into liquid water. If the temperature of the glass is below freezing, these droplets freeze into ice or frost, creating that icy coating you see in the morning. The colder the air and the more moisture in it, the more likely frost will form. Sometimes frost appears on the outside of the windshield because of cold air and moisture in the environment. Other times, it forms on the inside because of excess humidity from wet items or poor ventilation inside the car. If the car is not aired out properly, humid air gets trapped, making frost more likely. The dew point, which is the temperature at which air becomes saturated with water vapor, also plays a role. When the windshield's temperature drops below the dew point and the freezing point, frost forms. To prevent icy windshields, you can keep the inside dry and well ventilated, park facing the sun to warm the glass naturally, or use covers to block moisture overnight. Applying homemade solutions like vinegar or rubbing alcohol can also lower the freezing point of water on the glass. Understanding how condensation and the water cycle work helps explain why moisture turns into ice on cold glass surfaces and shows us simple ways to keep our windshields clear and safe during winter mornings.